Looking for the best digital tire pressure gauge that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best digital tire pressure gauge that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This digital tire pressure gauge is a dependable tool for maintaining proper tire inflation with speed and precision. Factory calibrated to an accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, it delivers consistent readings that make it easy to match your vehicle's recommended tire pressure, helping improve safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. The bright backlit LCD display and illuminated nozzle are especially useful for nighttime checks or dimly lit garages, ensuring excellent visibility without the need for a separate flashlight. Switching between PSI, bar, KGF/cm superscript 2, and kPa is effortless with a single button, making it convenient for different vehicle specifications. Its 0 to 150 psi measuring range supports cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and spare tires, while compatibility with standard Schrader valves ensures broad usability. The compact, rugged design fits easily in a glove box, and the auto-off function helps maximize battery life. Overall, it's a durable, user-friendly, and reliable tire maintenance tool built for long-term everyday use. Next up is Eaton Wolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Eaton Wolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge stands out for its exceptional precision, durability, and ability to perform reliably in demanding conditions. Individually hand-calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A standards with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, it delivers trustworthy readings across an impressive 3 to 200 psi range, making it suitable for everything from passenger cars and motorcycles to pickups, RVs, and heavy-duty vehicles. Its advanced AI thermal compensation technology ensures consistent performance in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, providing dependable results regardless of the weather. The rugged construction is built to withstand accidental impacts, even being run over by a vehicle, without compromising functionality. Replaceable AAA batteries extend the product's lifespan, while the integrated LED light makes nighttime or low-light tire checks quick and convenient. Combining professional-grade accuracy, outstanding durability, and user-friendly design, this tire pressure gauge is an excellent long-term investment for drivers who prioritize safety, proper tire maintenance, and reliable performance. Coming in at number 3 is Fantic Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Fantic X8 Apex portable tire inflator delivers an outstanding combination of speed, precision, and reliability, making it an excellent emergency and everyday maintenance tool for drivers. Its high-performance motor inflates a 215/55 R17 tire from 28 to 33 psi in just 56 seconds, saving valuable time without sacrificing accuracy. Equipped with advanced altitude adaptive calibration and precision compensation technology, it maintains an impressive plus or minus 1 psi accuracy whether you're at sea level or driving through mountainous terrain. The long-lasting rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous operation and can refill up to 17 tires without requiring a cooling break, making it ideal for road trips and multiple vehicles. For preset inflation modes, automatic shutoff, and one-click operation make it incredibly simple for beginners and experienced users alike. Backed by rigorous durability testing and supplied with multiple valve adapters, the X8 Apex is a dependable, well-engineered inflator built for convenience, safety, and long-term performance. Now number 4, Azuno Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This digital tire inflator gauge is a practical and reliable tool for maintaining proper tire pressure with professional-level accuracy and ease of use. Delivering readings within 1% accuracy and a precise 0.1 resolution, it eliminates guesswork and helps ensure optimal tire performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. The intuitive one-handed operation makes inflating and deflating tires effortless, with the trigger and air bleeder allowing quick pressure adjustments while the large backlit LCD instantly displays updated readings. Its bright screen remains easy to read in both daylight and low-light conditions, and the ability to switch between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg/cm superscript 2 adds versatility for different applications. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, including motorcycles, passenger cars, SUVs, large trucks, and construction equipment, it adapts to virtually any tire maintenance task. The included portable carrying case keeps the gauge protected and organized, making it a durable, convenient, and dependable companion for both home garages and on-the-go use. And finally, our last pick is DigitPro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This digital tire inflator gauge is a dependable 3-in-1 maintenance tool designed to deliver accurate tire pressure readings while simplifying inflation and deflation. With an impressive measuring range of 3 to 250 psi and precision within 1% of actual pressure, it provides reliable results that help maintain optimal tire performance, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce uneven tire wear. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel, corrosion-resistant brass, and a durable rubber hose, it is engineered to withstand frequent use in home garages or professional workshops. The bright backlit LCD display ensures clear visibility in both daylight and nighttime conditions, while support for 4 pressure units, PSI, kPa, bar, and kg/cm superscript 2, adds flexibility for different applications. Compatible with both a 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch NPT air compressors, it works seamlessly with cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and motorcycles. Combining rugged construction, user-friendly operation, and precise performance, this tire inflator gauge is a valuable investment for safer driving and long-term tire maintenance. So those were the top 5 best digital tire pressure gauge you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.